Kamusta mga ka-nation? Welcome once again to Goldilocks Magical Mashups. Spring is definitely in the air, and well, my partner over here is going to make sure that everybody is in a good mood. Goldie, good day sa'yo, Joanne.
Goldie Good Daily. Hello mga ka-nation and happy spring. You know,
Yes.
when you think about spring, you should think about pastel colors,
Oh,
right?
absolutely.
Fluffy yellow chicks, delicate pink tulips,
Yes.
and green plants that are just ready to bloom, di ba, Lee?
Talagang spring na spring ang isip mo ngayon.
Of course.
And that's why pinaligiran mo talaga ng pastel ang ating kusina ngayon.
Absolutely. And later, Lee,
Yes.
our magical mashup is even going to be more chock full of pastel.
Oh my, I don't doubt you for a moment, Joanne. Alam mo, you have perfected the art of magical mashups.
I did?
And, well, with that said, ano naman ang ma-magican mo ngayong araw na to?
Okay, well, as you can see, we have our iced choco roll and our iced mocha roll and the ube roll. Pero pagsasamahin lang natin yung choco and mocha. And we will literally mash them up together and turn them into choco mocha cake pops.
Oh, wow! You know, first of all, iced rolls. These are already so sarap on their own. And as you can see naman, comes in several flavors.
Anong favorite mo, Lee?
Siyempre, chocolate.
Good choice.
Yan.
Mine is mocha. Pero syempre, masarap din ang ube.
Pero syempre, lahat naman tayo gusto natin ng ube. Well, you know, I'm sure this is going to be so much fun, Joanne. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Just say the magic word.
Oh, I will. Hocus pocus, Goldie goodness. Oh. I'm sorry, Joanne. I had to say it. Oh my Goldie goodness. These Goldilocks Choco Mocha Cake Pops are the bomb, mga ka-nation. And look, they're so pretty. It's definitely gonna put a smile on everyone's faces. Di ba, Joanne?
It's so much fun to make and eat, di ba?
Oh, mga ka-nation, you are going to enjoy making these with your kids at home this spring. Try it! Actually, I can't wait to try it with my little girl, Raya. Well, here we go. Goldilocks chocolate and mocha ice rolls, presto changeo. Goldilocks Choco Mocha Cake Pops. Mga ka-nation, we'll see you again next time as we spring another magical creation here on Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
Goldie Good Day!
I'm gonna try this one now.
Cheers!
Cheers, Joanne.